This is Java Project Looking Glass version 3 from 2007, a special 3D experimental desktop environment used on Slash Linux and Granular Linux. Here I have the Slash version, the ISO file will be in the description. You can do many things, for example, using the normal application mode of this desktop or the developer mode. There is also an SFC version to do troubleshooting and bash. The graphics driver, ATI, NVIDIA or integrated Intel. And here as you can see it is a 3D desktop application made only using OpenGL and Java 3D. Now let's have a look at the official documentation of the project. As you can see, it has begun in 2004. It is a 3D desktop system the first time. With the 2D capabilities of new GPUs around 2005 to 2006, Java wanted to create a 3D desktop environment by accelerating 2D Windows with wobbling Windows Manager, giving special treatment to 2D application to make them look like 3D and 3D pop-up applications. Here GNOME and KDE, these will be used later in Compiz. Here the structure is at server thanks to Java 3D technology and the API used by your graphics card. It creates a 3D window manager. Input and output redirections. It fully integrates with X.org X11. The 3D object is is behind the 3D window. It is a normal X11 windows with 3D objects behind them. It is when Java was owned by Sun Microsystems before Oracle bought them. It uses OpenGL libraries, open source version made after SGI failed. SGI went bankrupt. After that, OpenGL became open source because it was originally developed by them, by this firm, this enterprise. Experimented around 3D long time. This is where Compiz started on Linux, and Windows Vista took inspiration by using 3D wobbling Windows and also macOS Leopard for its widgets, and it was used in a little way in iOS thanks to Apple's skeuomorphism. Java 3D desktop system has a developer mode. This Java 3D desktop also has a user mode for the end user. Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you a special 3D desktop environment made by Java Sun Microsystems. This was an experimental 3D desktop made around 2003, the first developer version, and the end version was around 2007. Here we believe Windows Manager, the same thing that was used later by Compiz on Linux and 3D Windows Vista on Windows. Here the terminal. We are root user. There are the Linux directories. There are many demos of 3D effects. For example, in utilities, there is this 3D clock. Or another thing is 3D file manager, when you can drag things around. You open by double clicking. Here at the bottom, to change the wallpaper, always in 3D, click tick to apply. If we click to the top left corner, we change the virtual desktop. Or other applications, for example, this 3D game, ping pong. You use it by clicking the mouse. Firefox, another example of wobbling Windows Manager. As you can see, the Windows has a 3D effect. And 3D presentations. As you can see here, all in 3D. And this was Java 3D desktop system, powered by open source graphics library OpenGL, developed using Java 3D engine. See you later, guys.